Hello, welcome to Cypress Automation. This is Sherful. In this lecture, we're going to see how to run an individual scenario with BDD framework in Cypress. So now, why you need to run an individual scenario? That's question first. It's very simple, to do debug, your issue, your features file. Assume that you have a feature file and you have 10 different test cases or 10 different scenario, and one of the scenario you need to debug it. So every time if you want to debug it, when you execute your test cases, it will run all the scenario from that feature file. But you don't want to run all the scenario, you want to run a specific that scenario you want to debug. So if you can manage to run that individual scenario, that will be easy to debug your issue. It will save you time, scripting, all those things. So how we can do that, when you have a feature file, based on the BDD framework in Cypress. That's what we're going to see in this lecture. Let's go. So here is an example. This is our one of the feature file, and it has a two scenario, right? One scenario, as a user I should able to see the title of the page. Another one, as a user I should able to select from the static drop down, right? So assume that you have some issue in this scenario, right? Example on scenario this one, okay? Since scenario, the first scenario, not the second one. So assume that if you have if you have like 20 different scenario, which is very simple in real life, you will have a 10, 20, 15 scenario in one feature file. And if you want to specify just to run one specific scenario, how can we do this? So let's see, we can assume that this is the scenario we want to debug, and so something wrong on this scenario. So you just want to run the scenario, and so that you can just see one by one your script and the result on the right side, right? So how can you do this? So it's very simple in Cypress. For BDD framework, Cypress said there's a tag. It's called SmartTag or focus tag. So SmartTag or focus tag is help you to focus your execution for a specific scenario. How to use it? Just all you have to, the scenario you just want to debug or you just want to run, you put at the rate, then you just type keyword focus. That's all, nothing else. So it means when you use this focus keyword with at the rate sign, it will focus, your execution will be focused only based on this scenario right after the scenario you have, not the two scenario. Okay, so let's save it and you will see it, and then let's run it. Sorry. So we'll say npx. We're going to run through our test runner. So we'll say npx Cypress open. Okay, it's test runner is loading. So it's showing the scenario, right? This is the same scenario we have, code inbox underscore practice features. So this is the same features file. So if you just click on there, it should only run that specific scenario we use the focus tag. You can see there's a two scenario, right? Okay, so the first one we put the focus, so it definitely should run, and the second one should not run. Okay, looks good. Still it's running the first one. Here we go. You can see the first one, as soon as this first one is done, you can see there's a green sign. So this one is passed. The first the scenario is passed, And for the second one, it's like you can see, it's puts on a shadow. It means, you can see, it's a skip. You can, if you click on that, you can say it's a sync, it's a skip. It's saying it's the execution is skipping, so it didn't count to execute your script. It didn't run the this scenario because we used that, this a focus, this focus feature, the SmartTag. So that's very helpful, specifically if you have lots of scenarios in one feature file, and you want to just run one specific focus. You can do it more, like if you have, say, 15 scenario and you want to just run 5 of them, you can put all of them, using this focus SmartTag, and it will just run 5 of them out of 20 or out of 50, right? So that's the way you can just run a specific scenario out of from a feature file. It will help you to debug that scenario. I hope it's help you. This is very helpful when you have lots of scenario in a feature file in real life. So I think so that's all for today. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned. There's lots of things will come regarding the Cypress automation. Have a good one.